Hello everyone. Welcome to a new live session. Hope you are having an amazing week. إن شاء الله بيكون عندكم week كتير حلو. Welcome to a new live session اليوم. One night before Christmas Eve, and the market's still working. So let's see. تنحط السيت Let's put the setup. Very fun. Yeah. Let's see. You assert you have this resistance 35,906 from the up. Here we have the 35,907 from the up, and we have this support. عنا من فوق الريزيستنس فوق ال 35,906 وتحت عنا السبورت 35,807. How do we put this? Simply resistance, 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 all this support area. This is the resistance, this is the resistance. So usually this is the main setup for the US Open. Let's see how it will go now. خلينا نشوف هلا كيف رح يفتح الماركت. عندنا تقريبا 5 minutes left. 4 دقائق و30 ثانية.
Arab.
جي جي تبع الويكلي طار.
يب مان، انت شفت الويكلي اوفر فيو النتائج تبعها؟ انا ما حطيتهم هيدي الجمعه، قلت لكم ما راح احطهم، بس واو انا عم بشوف اذا راح يزبطوا
صراحه كلهم دمو بس عم بصيبوا طاروا
يعني حتى in the Christmas week New Year week it's hitting. يعني it's the first time عندي testing عم بعملهم عليه. So لا it's being nice. It's being super nice. By the way هون جي جي كان سوبر مثل ما حكينا امبارح. سنايبر انتري بالاول اخذنا البروفيتس and then اليوم وقت كسر هيدا الريزيستنس كلين ترافيك طلع عملها كلها. يعني مش انه عم يمشي مثل ما بيقولوا على البكله يعني ما في يكون احسن من هيك صراحه. ما بعتقد رح يكون في احسن من هيك. لاحظوا نزل فتح عمل شادو صغير كان واتساب يعني ويك صغير، رجع طلع كسر الريزيستنس اللي هي قويه. الريزيستنس كنا قلنا امبارح اذا لحق وكسرها مجبور بالسنايبر لازم يكون في ستوب لوس اذا ما اتاخذ بروفيت، لانه بيطير من بعد عنده كلين ترافيك. وطلع كل الكلين ترافيك 152.69 till 153.65 100 بيب almost, which is nice.
السنايبر انت بس قلت لنا اياها، هو وصل على القد.
Yes, exactly يعني. And then retraced and then done. We took the profit and then moved up today. Wow. يعني that's great. Let's see US 32.25. Let's put this time. Last time we forgot. Okay, let's put it. Copy. Text. Here. Oh. All your studies, all your questions after the US Open. Let's see. One minute left. Letter N for a break above this level. We have almost a nice clean traffic to this level. Almost 25 pips. Let's go to the 5 minutes candle. This is not bad also from 76 to 98. For the 5 minute candle, we might have a sell buy here also. Minor resistance. But we'll prefer to go more up. Let's see.
YouTube is on عبد الله سؤال.
Shoot.
أنا
Yeah.
شفت النوتيفيكيشن.
Yes. This is not bad also from 76 to 98. Okay, US open. Market open. Moving up. Breaking this minor resistance first. But we have to wait. This is the first reaction. Is it going to continue up or resume down? نشوف. عم بحاول لهلا يشد up. So far it's trying to move on. Up. No trade range area so far. Tomorrow we don't have any live session. I think today it will be the last volume day. Tomorrow it should be like, okay, first reaction up. Now it's moving down. Now it's interesting. If it goes back up again, we might have a buy opportunity. هاخد باي. أخدت باي. Oh, nice, nice, nice. 10 pips, guys. Nice, 10 pips, guy. Amazing. I closed this trade. Whoa, whoa, whoa. One day before Christmas, I took this trade, 11 pips. Miguel, 9 pips. Nice. Congrats. 8 pips, Hassan. Nice. Still moving up. 6 pips, buddy. Nice. Yes, Christmas gift. Nice, Bashir. Nice, Hassan. Hassan, Jenny, 12. Nice. George, Edgar, 7. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Amazing move. Now we should have a second chance here also to resume up, but I took my trade. 20 Osman, perfect. Anthony, 6, perfect. Now it should resume up, but let's not get so excited. We had our trade. It should resume up, but I'm not in anymore. I'm out. Congrats, guys. Congrats. So this is simply when you take trades, quality trades. I will send it to the Telegram. Congrats for each and every person who took this trade. Enjoying the market every single day. As we said, we're still in the first 3 minutes. So we are having like 5 minutes working per day. You work 5 minutes per day. You make more than a normal salary or a normal salary even for a CEO if you have a bigger account. So let's go and put this. Enjoying the market. Congrats, guys. Congrats. I'm really glad. Yes, work smart, not hard. True. So now if it this candle, if it close and then it opens again and move up, it will be also another buy. Personally, I will not buy anymore. It's enough for me. Yeah, I don't want to risk the profits at all, but it should resume up. Especially this 40 seconds, if it close at this level. I will send on the Telegram the trade. Oh, wow, 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 still up. It moved up. The initial trade we wanted to take at the beginning, which is like 06 till 26, almost 25, also 17 pips. It hit it. 11 pips. 11 pips. It gave me 11 pips with the 11-second trade, guys. 12 seconds trade. This time, look, I will show you the seconds this time. Wait. US 11 pips trade in 11 seconds. Wow, wow, wow. Very nice setup. Also, it opened, wick down, and then moving up. Very nice setup. Yep, 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 yep. Runners. If you have runners, it's still moving up, runners, guys. Runners moving up. Nice. Hop, 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 hop. Breaking now. Breaking here. Since it broke this level, this was the initial buy for us, 35,908. And then it's moving up 25 pips. Nice. Telegram send. Okay. George, 14, then 10. Nice. Let's see for the 1 hour how much we can go up. Oh, can. Still we can. Look, move up, retracement down, then a new candle. It respect the previous low and then broke up. So breaking up this level, it means that we are moving more and more up. Nice, perfect, guys, perfect. Perfect, guys. Amazing. So let's see here. So this was the trade. 11 pips. We took it like 20, 31, 29, 31, 41. 12 seconds trade. 11 pips in 12 seconds. Congrats. Merry Christmas. $4 days with you. Each day, $5. Love you, man. Yep. 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 This is amazing. Congrats, Elias. This is amazing. The only thing I'm really always up to and love that this community is profitable. When you follow the right system, when you follow with us, look, even here, guys, the weekly overview, it's making profits. Wow. Yeah, I'm watching with you the weekly overview this time, but it's wow. Nice. For For the runners, now it's making a huge profit, guys. For the runners, it's making a huge profits. Congrats for all people making 100 of pips. 100 of pips collecting. When I say to some عن جد مبروك لكل الاشخاص بهيدي الكوميونتي عن جد يلي عم يتطوروا اكثر واكثر، يلي عم يشتغلوا على حالهم اكثر واكثر، يلي بطلوا يعملوا تريدات على الرايح وعلى الجاي، يلي عم ينقوا الكواليتي تريدز، يلي عم ينقوا التريدز المرتبين المهمين يلي بخلون يطلعوا انكم بشكل مظبوط. This is what matters, guys. Check Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursdays. 4 days. I'm not telling you check from the beginning. 4 days. 4 days. Imagine every day we had one trade and every day we had the profit. Yes, one profitable trade per day, it's enough. When you have the right setup, you can have the lot you want, not the big lot. But now I wanted to start with 2 lots by New Year, but I tried to challenge myself and I started by Tuesday. So far 3 days with my double lots. The same way, the same trade, the same pips, but making the double income that I want. Look, this is today. This is yesterday. Same. 22. This is 21. And here we were still at 1 lot, but also we took it like for 20 pips. And this is how you start really making a change. You should try the 7. Man, and a 5 who remember this 5 lots, guys. It's still هيك براسي.
على 3 نقط دغري.
It's 3 pips. Where it is, wait. Lovely 5 lots. هيدا التورخ، هيدا تكون visualization لإلي لسنة الجاي. Where it is, this one. لا half lot هيدا ماشي. راحت قطعتها يمكن. قطعتها هالقد ورا، لا no way هالقد بعيدة. I think قطعتها. It's here somewhere. Here. Oh man, this is to remember. 3 lovely pips. 3 pips, and some people say, you trade only on 10 pips? You trade only on 5 pips? Yes. If this is
المصاري تمام.
That's it. It's not about the pips, guys. It's about the setup. What always matters is the setup, to have the best setup, to have the best trade, to understand why I'm going into this trade. And now I will explain why I took this trade, okay? Let's go back to this trade and let's explain what happened exactly. What really happened was this. The market opened and then the candle went up. It went up and tried to break this, يعني almost at this resistance, and then started to move down again. So for the first wave, for the first wave for this candle was up, but we should wait always the second wave, okay? And then the market went down again, promoting a bearish move. So it was promoting a bearish move, but when it started to go back again and breaking the old high, for me, it did a rejection for this move, and then it's starting to gain momentum for the up move. يعني من بعد ما فتحت طلعت شوي، ما كسرتها exactly مثل ما بدنا، رجعت بلشت تنزل، عملت rejection نزول، كسرت هيدا اللو، مفروض تكمل نزله بالحاله الطبيعيه. سو لما قلب وبلش يرجع يطلع من جديد وبلش من هون يكسر الريزيستنس، سو بهيدي اللحظه بتعرفوا at some point انه عمل الريجكشن تبع النزله، ما عنده باور نزول، and then عم ببلش يحضر تيطلع هالمره، and then we took the trade على القد من هون even قبل ما تطلع لفوق. We took the trade at 35,875 and then we had this momentum نطلعها بعد اكثر طلوع وضلت مكمله بعد اكثر. هلا the second trade you could take هي لما هون هي اول شيء كسرتها فيها تكون impulse entry على 10 20 نقطه كانت كمان، وهون التريد الثاني لما سكرت على هيدا الريزيستنس فتحت عملت wick down and then boop started to break this level and then it gained momentum also up. So runners were still moving up, or you can even get a new trade. For me, when I do a profitable trade, this is my week. This is my day. So I don't push for more trades, especially that this is my last trade for this week. I had an amazing 4 days week. No need to ruin it with more trades. This is how I think. Thank you, man. I'm gaining too much knowledge in this community. I'm so glad to hear this, George. Perfect. And congrats for all people who are really making profits, who are really gaining this profits. I think US30 should keep its way up. You can grab many pips now. I don't think that we'll have like a retracement unless it break below the slope. بس بعتقد المومنتوم it's bullish so far. ما في شيء صراحة رح بيكون عم بيدل على نزلة قريبا هلا. شيء عم بيدل بالأحرى على نزلة. Most of the thinking it will be for an up move. It's breaking again the high. Breaking again the high. Will it break and move up again 25, 30, 40 pips? We'll see. Now, Najm, you have this triangle. Okay. It closed down. Did you sell or you are planning to sell? Yes, you are here to learn, of course. Did you sell or you are planning to sell, Najm? Because here at this level, you have a candle down. But at the close of this market, you do not take this candle before the candle close. Usually, you need the daily close for this candle. So if you had the sell after it broke, it's a problem. If you broke like because it's daily at the same candle, now you grabbed at least 10, 20, 30 pips, and then you should secure your trade, half position, and then put stop loss at entry so you won't lose again. And if you are waiting to take a sell, you can't take a sell before it make a wick up. So يعني in this trade for me, I shouldn't be in this trade as sell, to be honest. Okay, you shouldn't go into the sell. يعني ما لازم تروح بهيدي السيل لانه اول شيء كسرتها ونزلت دغري، سو بدك تنطر هيدي الكاندل تتسكر لانه بارش، بدك تنطر الكاندل وراها تفتح من بعدها تعمل ويك اب، هي عم تنزل ترجع بتاخذها لما بتكسر اللو، سو هون فتحت وطلعت ما كسرت اللو. لو اخذتها هيدي السيل هون فور اكزامبل، انا ما بعرف الرقم، بدك تبين لي، خليني ابين الرقم دقيقه حتى اقول لك الرقم على المضبوط. This is here the problem. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, for this candle, if you took the straight sell at 112.86, so it moved down to almost 112. يعني it moved down 30 pips، نزل تقريبا 30 نقطة. أنت عادة على 10 15 نقطة بتسكر هاف البوزيشن، بتسكر نص البوزيشن، بتحط ستوب لوس على الانتري، لأنه ممنوع، احفظوها هيدي جايز، ممنوع من بعد ما تربحوا 15 نقطة و10 نقط انكم ترجعوا تطلعوا خسرانين من التريد. يعني بأسوأ الأحوال بتسكروا نصها على 15 نقطة، بتحطوا ستوب لوس على 15 نقطة. هيك إذا ضرب ستوب لوس بتكونوا كأنكم ما فتوا ما ظهرتوا فيها للتريد. والا انا دائما بفضل حط ستوب لوس على الانتري واترك رانر يكمل، بكون امنت بجيبتي نص التريد. You got the point نجم؟ This is always imperative. يعني هيدي بتجي مثل الاي بي سي بالسيستم. Never you win a trade 10 and 15 pips and then you go out losing money. Never. Always 10, 15 pips you made profit, stop loss at entry, you close half position, you are out. If the runner keeps running down for a sell and then you are making profit with the runner, if it hits your stop loss you secured half of the position and you didn't lose. Okay? Always like this. Always like this. So let's see another study like sent by Miguel. Also, this trade, by the way, this trade NZD USD. I don't know if you check it, Miguel. This was a sell first up. Why it was a sell? If you check exactly, you have a divergence. You have a real divergence up. Where is this pen? Okay. You have a divergence here. Look, you have a high, you have a higher high, and I because I check it, I'm saying this.
ايه شفتها هلا كمان.
And if you take the same time frame 1 hour and you put your you have high and lower high on CCI, okay, and RSI. So once you have this dodgy star first, خليني افسرها انا. راح فوت على ال wait guys, I'll go NZD USD 1 hour. Check this, guys. Okay, look, and this is how you manage your trade usually, to know if you are going to buy or to sell. Even look, you have this. Check. Let's delete هيدا الشيء هون. Okay. You have this. This is the low. This is the high. This is higher high. And then you have a high, lower high, and you have a high, lower high. Imagine. So it's breaking here, it's breaking here, at the same time, it's breaking here. So what's here exactly? This is the support. Look, you have two chances to go into this trade. You have this chance. Oh, damn. Okay, you have this chance first before you go into a buy, and that's why I told you always, I tell you, you need to be active. This support, look what happens. You have a low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, same low almost, higher low. Imagine what a move up. And then you have a rejection. This is a dodgy star. You have a rejection with a dodgy star. Come on. Let's remove this to no. You have a rejection with dodgy star, and then you have a high and you have a lower high, and then the market is breaking. يعني عندكم lower high, lower higher low, higher low, higher low. بعدين عندكم rejection مع dodgy star, and then من بعدها فتحت الكاندل عملت up move. We don't have a higher, and then it's breaking the low of the dodgy star. So the first entry for NZD USD should be 0.6830. And then the second entry, we have two sell entries here. And the second entry was this level also. When it opened this candle up and then start to move down, breaking this resistance 0.6820 and then to 68.10, 08 so far, and then even 0.5. Like if you entered here, you have 15 pips from this step. You have a clean traffic down. If you entered here, you have 25 pips almost, only for this divergence. This is very important, guys, to check, to understand.
You're right.
How you take these trades. Now, of course, as you said also in your study, if we have this break of this resistance, we have a clean traffic to the left almost, you can grab more pips, but imagine how you can maximize your profit. The idea is almost you must check, how can I maximize my profit? On 15 minutes also we had a double top. Yes, you had also a double top on 15 minutes. Wow, this was a nice trade, NZD USD, to be honest. Very nice trade. But you must know how to manage all these time frames with the combination of the indicators. It will be super. It's still valid now, to be honest. You have to wait till it breaks 0.6794. and then like this study here to check the sell. But I was explaining how you can make the maximum profit you want to make. يعني كيف تعملوا الماكسيموم profit بالتريد، ما تنطروا بس لحتى تاخذوا من هون. Of course you can go with this, but always put in mind something. 10 pips stop loss entry, 10-15 pips stop loss entry. Ooh, interesting you assert. Will it start to move down again? Let's see if it will break the support. Now it created some sort of resistance at this level. Interesting resistance. And we can see is the قوية how you told me. شو هي؟ ما فهمت عليك ميغال. So
بالطريقه الدوجي ستار، وهو انا صراحه ما كنت يعني انا اخذت اليوم تريد تبعي، بس هي اخذت رسمتها ان ذا مورنينج، عرفت كيف؟
yes.
بس ما انتبهت للبستات. شيء كتير حلو صراحه الدايفرجنس والدوجي ستار، كيف
True.
قلت لي عنها.
True. So this is how يعني من هيك بقول لكم you increase your skills step by step with time. So now the next time we will check this, you will check directly, is there any divergence? Is there any reversal candle? Oh, okay, let's check, you know?
ايه 100%. that's great والله.
That's perfect. So let's see. Let's see. Will the US 30 reverse? This is the main question. Will it reverse or it will keep its way up? And after breaking again the resistance up. For me, I call it a day. First 3-4 minutes, guys. I'm live streaming for almost 45 minutes, 1 hour. But imagine many people they go to this live stream, they trade the first trade in the first 5 minutes and then they go out. Imagine you are working 5 minutes. 5 minutes per day. This is all what you need. Of course, everything else it's plus. If you trade during this day, it's plus if you have some time, as we did in the GJ last time. As if you swing on the Euro USD. By the way, guys, let's be clear. Next week, next year won't be like this year. Okay, some people were in this and some people were not. Next week, next year, we will combine big time, as we say, the swing trade with the scalp trade. So I will be focusing on the swing trade also on the Euro USD and also on the Dow Jones. So people, if you are scalpers, you can just commit to the US 30 with me. If you are swingers, other than with the weekly overview, under the weekly overview, by the way, and the orders of the weekly overview, these are bonus money. Bonus. It's a bonus money. Okay, you can make money like enjoying making money, not even taking care of what's happening. So, but the swing trade, I will be focused. So on the swing trade, I will start to focus on some trades on Euro USD, which is swing, and with the on the advanced system. But my recommendation for people who will go into this with me, you should not have an account less than $1,000. $1,000 maximum, minimum, sorry, and up. You will be able to go with me in this swing trade on Euro USD. Okay, just because we might see like 10% drawdown, 15% drawdown maximum. My full risk management will be on 20% maximum. And also we have 100 success rate on this so far. You can scalp and you can swing. Of course, you can have an account for scalp, you can have an account for swing, you can have the same account for both, but you must accept to see in the swing trade some days, sometimes it will stay for a week or two, like red. Okay, قلبك بده يحمل, قلبكم بده يحمل. You must have really, you must know how to master your emotion. Because when I go into this, I don't want to hear all the time like, Abdullah, It's now 10%. What do I do? It's now 5%. What do I do? If not, it's now like that. What do I do? I don't know. I don't need this. Okay. So once I will go in, once I will go in, I will go in. Once I will go out, I will go out. Okay. So this is it, the rule. It will be, and I will explain it. So for me, it depends how much you can manage this. But I will tell you something. This is something like you will see it after few months or 1 year. Your account will be profitable. My account will be profitable, by the way. You will see it. Every trade that we close, we will say how much we close. It's exactly as the US 30 I do. Every trade I say how much I close, and it's all open with you guys. So you'll see everything. But we might have some bad moments. So you must be careful. Bad moment, I mean like 10% drawdown, 5% drawdown. Sometimes it happens. The maximum stop loss I have is at 20%. There is no way my account should go below 20%. I close all the trade. I accept the loss. I regain it during the year. I regain it during the months. I regain it in scalping. So I mixed both. I'm telling you this to be honest with you. Most of our trades will be super profitable, like 95% of the trade, so it will be directly from the first time or second time profitable. But I had, during my testing this year on this, I had 2 times I was stuck in a drawdown for almost like one, it was like for 2 weeks, it went down like 7%. And the second one was 12%. I was stuck for almost 1 month in this trade, but I closed it then profitable. Yani, I didn't close any trade losing money. I didn't even reach the 20%, but we never know what will happen. So to be honest with you, so far in this swing trade, I had last year 100% success rate in Euro USD in the swing trade. So that's why next year I will be launching it. So we can, what's a good demo account that replicates FX deals without me? Royal Financials. Okay, and even equity. I ask them, I wanted for more than this. I wanted at least for 3 months. You ask, you have Royal Financials, you have FX Group, but you ask them, like if you can leave them for 1 month or 2 months, for 2-3 months. If no, you can ask Royal Financial. You are asked, or even equity with Wasim. He can open to you this. Okay. What's the rule of thumb in scalping? 10-15 max and leave after 2-3 trades? Yes, it's very simple. 10-15 pips you secure, not max. You can keep runners up, but minimum 10-15 pips. You close the trade. Maximum 1 to 2 trades per day. Maximum. You must have a certain. You have one session you focus on, mainly if it's on US 30, we focus on the US session. US 30 now, it's trying to break down. I most probably think it will continue down. So, but I won't take the trade anymore, of course. So you focus on one session, 1 pair, 2 pairs maximum. You trade during the session, maximum risk for you, the risk management you have, maximum you lose 0.5% as a start. After this, you can lose 1%, but the take profit with you should be minimum 1%. يعني it's 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. يعني بده يكون 1-على-1. إذا هدفك تربح 1%، بدك تكون maximum عم تخسر 1%. Why do we do this? Even if you take your 1% loss the first time or your 1% loss the second time, because once you go into scalp, you must have a success rate band between 80% and 90%. يعني على كل 10 trades you do, minimum you win 8 trades. And if you lose 1 or 2 trades, you will have, for example, like 1% profit for each winning trade. So this is 8%. For each losing trade, you will have 1% loss. So this means that you lost 2%. So you did 6% over 10 trades. Over 20 trades, you can make 16%. If you do 1 trade every day for a full month, you have 20 days working. So if you do 20 trades and you win 16 trades and you lose 4 trades, then you are profitable with 12%. 12% profitable. You did 12%, guys, 1 month. So this is what we need, or this is what we want mainly. By the way, in the next year also, 2022, I will have an add-on. We will have, I will do a training, live training on Zoom. It will be specially for detailed scalp trade on US 30 and GJ. Okay, guys? It will be like in February, I think, end of January or February. We will keep you updated on this for people who want to level up their trades. And it will be a full training about scalping the US 30 from A to Z. Or else 1 month, 2 months also you can follow up, and then you will understand how things goes on easily. Okay. So this is it for today, guys. I call it a day. Enjoy, guys. Tomorrow we don't have the live stream, and maybe Monday also. We'll keep you updated. Enjoy your holiday, your Christmas holiday. Tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday. At the end, we do all what we do to enjoy. We do all what we do to have the choice. We do all what we do to have a free time. Free time, guys. This is time freedom. This is what matters for me. أهم شيء أنا بالنسبة لي كل يلي بعمله is for time freedom. And Tuesday, guys, don't forget, we have the goal setting webinar. It's totally free. I give it every year since 4 years till now. I give it like this is my 4th year. Hopefully you will join it. It's only for Arabic community. It's only in Arabic. So hopefully that you will join to plan your 2022. How it will be. كيف بدها تكون سنة 2022 لإلكم. شو الدروس بدكم تتعلموها من 2021؟ شو الدروس اللي أنا تعلمتها منها؟ شو الأمور اللي زبطت معي وما زبطت معي؟ رح كون عم بقولها. And how كيف تعلمت منها الأمور اللي ما زبطت لحتى أقلع بسنة 2022. مش حقول اكيد كل البلانز اللي عندي اياهم لل 2022. في كثير قصص سربرايزز. but I will do I will say hi او رح اقول كيف عم بعمل بلاننج ل 2022 already بمطرح معين. Don't put your money in bank rule number, of course, especially 2022, not in Lebanon and not in anywhere else. We are heading to a crash. We are heading 2022 or 2023 to a financial crash. So of course, your money should not be in the bank, should not be. Even in gold, even in silver, even in Bitcoin or crypto, even in your wallet, guys, your wallet in crypto, even in your home, cash money. But be careful from banks. We are heading in a very, very, very severe financial crisis in the next, I don't know, maybe 1 year, 2 years. And this will not grow your money. Having your money in the bank, maybe it should. I'm not saying don't put money in the bank, but don't put all your money in the bank. Okay, let me be more clear. Don't put more than 15% of your money in the bank. Okay. So have an amazing day. يعطيكم العافية جميعا. I'm really glad that we had all this week this trade. We are still consistent with our 100% success rate. Then we are increasing our lot size. We are doubling our profit with the same system. And each and every one of you in the next 1 to 3 months will have the challenge not to increase their lot like crazy. Will have the challenge to understand exactly how much they are becoming profitable and how much they are understanding this system. And then you can start step by step based on the same risk management I'm talking to, step by step increase. And I promise you, for this community, next year will be a blow up year in trading, in systems, in new learning, in everything. هالسنة الجاية بوعدكم رح بتكون سنة مخيفة لهيدي الكوميونتي. عم نركز بشكل كتير كبير على هذا الموضوع. عم بركز مزبوط انه يكون عندنا 2 systems نحن قوية فيهم، مش 1 system، من هيك رح زيد اليورو على السوينج ورح يكون عندنا سكالب يو اس 30. هيدي دائما رح نكون عم نعملها سوا، بلس اللي عندنا اياه بالويكلي اوف فيو، بلس في كثير قصص جاي بالكريبتو بالان اف تي وبغيرها وبغيرها. كثير قصص عم تتحضر. 2022 should be an amazing year للكل. make sure تقووا حالكم، make sure تشتغلوا على حالكم، واهم شغله the most important part always to surround yourself with people who can grow you, not people who always keep nagging, always keep not being like satisfied with what's happening with them. If you are not satisfied with what is happening with you, just work to change it. Just work to change it. You are responsible for your future. You are responsible for what's happening with you or what will happen for you. That's why you have to take these opportunities. And the first thing you did, that you are part of this community. And we won't fail you in this community. We will work as much as we can to let you understand that you give yourself the biggest gift ever to be part of this community. So thank you so much, guys. See you on Monday or Tuesday. Love you all. Have an amazing